Okay, here's a 1948 Lindsay air compressor built on a AHH Wisconsin engine. The AHH is the biggest single cylinder engine Wisconsin built. Real long stroke, full of torque. This is a V-twin compressor directly mounted to the crankshaft. It has twin tanks down below. There's no valve on the outlet, just has a safety valve, and there's no unloader. As long as the engine's running, it's making air. Three and 5/8 bore, 4-inch stroke. Most Lindsay air compressors have these odd-looking air filters, and for whatever reason, Lindsay must have thought a lot of their own filters, because not only did they make them for their compressors, but they also put them on whatever engine was on their compressor. Old Briggs engines on Lindsay's will sometimes have these filters. I believe this has the original tires on it. They're Shenwit tires, which is an old brand. I don't think they've made those for ages. But I just got this running today, and I'm going to cut away here for a second to start it, and we'll be back with it running.